Now, let's get started. Hey guys, I'm Zach and welcome back to Bear Mountain Builds. And today I'm going to be starting a new video series called Tips in Blips, where I show you a neat little hack that I've learned in my 24 years of vast experience. Today I'm going to be showing you how to wind up your ratchet straps in seconds using only an old wire coat hanger and an electric drill. So you're going to want to start off with cutting out a 7-inch section of your wire coat hanger so it's a straight piece like this. Now you're going to take this piece and bend it in half. So it'll look somewhat like a V right now, and what we're going to do is take some pliers and really crimp this end all the way down. Now it looks kind of like an industrial strength bobby pin. So with this, we're going to take our bent portion here and feed it into the chuck of the drill. And with that, it's time to start winding up our strap. So we'll take these two prongs, spread them out a little bit, and feed the end of the strap in between those two. And then we can just start winding and use our offhand to guide the strap. And with that, our strap is all wound up, and it looks really great, and it couldn't be easier, faster, or any cheaper, really. Now, if you found this tip at all helpful, or it made you even think, hit the like button. It helps me out a lot and I really appreciate it. And leave a comment down below. Let me know what you're thinking. I always like to hear from all you guys. And as always, hit the subscribe button so you can stay up to date on all of my videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Whoops, I got overzealous.